exercise 1.1 real numbers first chapter second problem already first problem completed before session. So then we do second problem what is second problem? Use Euclid's division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Okay, now solution letter a b and a positive odd integer a b and any positive odd integer any positive odd integer okay on dividing a by b is equal to 3 sorry 6 a divided by b there exists q is a quotient r is a remainder. By Euclid division lemma a is equal to bq plus r. Here a is equal to b value 6q plus r. So divisor is 6 therefore possible values of r below 6 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, possible values. So now there exists q and r. Q is a quotient, r is a remainder. Q is a letter. Q is a quotient, r is a remainder. Then by Euclid's division lemma what is Euclid division lemma? Dividend is equal to a is equal to divisor b into quotient q plus remainder r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So here b value 6. So a is equal to 6q plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than 6. The possible values of r, here possible values of r, the possible values of r is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, if r is equal to 1 then a value what? R is equal to 0 then a value 6q. If r is equal to 1 then a value 6q plus 1. If r is equal to 2 then a value 6q plus 2. If r is equal to 3 a value 6q plus 3. If r is equal to 4 6q plus 4. If r is equal to 5 6q plus 5. So a is of the form r values 0 means 6q r value if r is equal to 1 then a is equal to 6q plus 1, or if r is equal to 2 then a is equal to 6q plus 2, or if r is equal to 3 then a is equal to 6q plus 3. A is equal to 6q or 6q plus 1 or so on 6q plus 5. But here 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4 gives even integers of a. So 6q is a even integer because divisible by 2. 6q plus 2 is a even integer because divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. and 6 cube plus 4 is an even integer because divisible by 4. 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5 are not divisible by 2. So 6 cube plus 1 and 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5 are odd integers. Here 6 cube and 6 cube plus 2 and 6 cube plus 4 are even integers. But here, but a is equal to 6 cube and r 6 cube plus 2 or 6 cube plus 4 give even integers of a even integers of a. Thus when a is odd, when a is odd, it is in the form of is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. A is equal to 6 cube, 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 3, so on 6 cube plus 5. But here 6 cube and 6 cube plus 2 and 6 cube plus 4 even integers. So we want odd integers of the form 6 cube plus 1. So 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4 are even integers. Therefore remaining value 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 4, 5 is of the form odd integers. So a is odd is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Therefore any positive odd integer is of the form a means any positive odd integer. A means any positive odd integer. Therefore any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Hence proved. Okay, understood? Okay, then go to second one, Nana. So third one. Third one. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that square of any positive integer. So that square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. 3p or 3p plus 1. That a being any positive integer on dividing a by b is equal to 3. Let q is a quotient and r is a remainder. Let q is quotient and r is remainder. So a is the Euclid's division lemma. A is equal to BQ plus R. R is less between 0 and B. 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Here B value is 3. So A is equal 3Q plus R. Here R is less between 0 and 3. B value 3. For possible values of R. Possible values of R. 0 less than or equal to R means R is equal to 0. R is lies between 0 and 3 means 1 and 2. Between 0 and 3, 1 and 2 there. So R is equal to 0 and 1 and 2. So R is equal to 0, 1, 2. So I have to show that A square is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1 because square of any positive integer. A is a positive integer. We have to show that A square is a positive. A square is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. A square is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1 when R is equal to 0 and 1 or 2. 0 or 1 or 2. So if R is equal to 1, here take case 1. If R is equal to 0, if take case 2. If R is equal to 1, case 3, R is equal to 2. If case 1, if R is equal to 0, A square is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. If case 2, if R is equal case 2, take case 2, R is equal to, if R is equal to 1, A square is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. Case 3, if R is equal to, A square is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. We have to show. Okay. If case 1, if R is equal to 0, then A is equal to what? Then A is equal to. Here R is equal to 0 substitute, then A is equal to 3Q. Okay, now A is a positive integer, but we want A square because square of any positive integer. No? A is a positive integer. We have to show that A square is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So here squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides becomes A square. A becomes A square. So squaring on both sides. A square is equal to 3q square. So 3q whole square. 3q whole square means 3q into 3q. X square is means x into x na. 2 square into 2 means 2. 2 into 2. Like 3q square is 3q into 3q. 3q into 3q means 3 into 3 9. Q into q square. Or a into b whole square. A square into b square. 3 square into q square. 3 square value 9. Q square. Okay. Here A square is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So this can be written as 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 9 can be written as 3 into 3, remaining value 3q square. So is equal to 3p. Let it be, this is p. So 3p. A square is equal to 3p. Where p is equal to 3q square. Therefore A square is in the form of 3p. So square of any positive integer. A is any positive integer na. A is any positive integer, let it be. So A square is in the form of 3p or so. Okay, A square is equal to 3p. So square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So 3p. Now then go to case 2. R is equal to 1. If R is equal to 1, then A is equal to what? Case 2. If R is equal to 1, then A is equal to, here R is equal to 1 substitute, then A is equal to 3q plus 1. 3q plus 1. So you want A square because square of any positive integer. This is A, positive integer only. Any positive integer is in the form of 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. But here we want A square. We want A square because squaring on both square of any positive integer. is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. So here squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. A square is equal 3q plus 1 whole square. A square is equal 3q plus 1 whole square. Is equal to is in the form of a plus b whole square. You know a plus b whole square formula? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b 2ab plus b square. So in the 3q plus 1 whole square, in this, in place of a 3q there, in place of b 1 there. So here substitute a in place of a 3q, in place of a 3q, in place of b 1. So getting 3q whole square a square plus 2ab, 2 into a value 3q, b value 1 plus b square means 1 square. Okay, the 3q whole square means 9 q square plus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 1 6, 6q plus 1. In these two terms, in these two, 3 common, 3 take common. Here 3 take common, 9 can be written 3 into 3, 3 take common, remaining value is 3. Next 6 can be written 3 into 2, 3 take common, remaining value 2, 2q plus 1 plus 1. So let this is p, let this is p, 3p plus 1, 3p plus 1, where p is equal some integer, p is equal 3q square plus 2q. Therefore, square of any positive integer a square is in the form of 3p plus 1. A square is equal to 3p. A square is equal to 3p plus 1. Square of any a is a positive integer. So square of any positive integer, square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. One more case there. If r is equal to 0 completed, if r is equal to 1 completed, if r is equal to 2. Okay? If r is equal to 2, if r is equal to 2, then a is equal to what? Here 2 substitute 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2. So you want a square, but here this is a. You want a square. Because the square of any positive number, a square is equal, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So a square is equal 3q plus 2 whole square. So this is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So 3q square means 9q square plus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12, 12q plus 2 square value 4. So here 9q square plus 12q plus 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. So first 3 terms 3 take common, 3q square plus 12 3 take common here. 12 can be written as 4 into 3, 3 take common, remaining value 4, 4q plus 3 take common here 1, so plus 1. Therefore is equal to 3p plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. P is a in bracket value, where p is equal 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Therefore r is equal to 0, a square is equal to 3p. R is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, a square is equal to 3p plus 1. R is equal to 2, a square is equal to 3p plus 1. Okay, so square of any positive integer, therefore square of any positive integer, any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1, 3p or 3p plus 1, where p is some integer. Hence proved. Okay, thank you, Nana. Thank you. Remaining problems tomorrow we'll discuss.